Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a more in-depth video on Rise of the Resistance when it comes to getting a boarding pass and the process of that, because this is one of the hot topics when it comes to visiting Hollywood Studios, because this ride is absolutely insane. It is a must ride even for people who don't like Star Wars. Then at the end of this video, I have a complete point of view ride through. It was Matt and I's first time riding, so I'm sorry for the additional commentary, but it was just absolutely amazing, so it was really hard not to say anything. We had been to Hollywood Studios since Rise had opened, but we were with the kids and didn't want to deal with waking up super early with them and child swap and whatnot. This was all before COVID shut down, so at that time, people were getting to Hollywood Studios at like 6 in the morning, and we did not want to deal with that. So we held off until our anniversary trip. But I do have to say, this ride would be worth all of that hassle and more. It was amazing. So when it comes to getting a boarding group, here are my top 4 tips. First, use your wireless service provider over Disney Wi-Fi, because people around you are going to be using Disney Wi-Fi at that same exact second to get on Rise. So you want to make sure to have your wireless service provider, and then along with that, make sure to find a location that you have full service at. So this is a tip more for the 2 p.m. slot, I guess, when it comes to being in the park anyway, since they changed it where you can try for a boarding pass at 7 a.m. as long as you have a park reservation. Although you'll want to make sure you have good service in your resort room or wherever you're staying at that time for the 7 a.m. pass. So definitely go through and find the right spot like the night before, that you know you'll have 4 bars. We found that the area outside Muppet Vision gave us the best service when we were in the park. It was quiet with no one around, so that ensured great service. We did hear a tip to get as far back in the park as you can, trying to stay away from others. Third, have only one person working on the boarding pass, preferably someone good with phones, and have another person watching the world clock with seconds, as if you were counting into the new year to count down the seconds to the boarding pass hour. Have the person who's trying to get the boarding pass start refreshing around 10 seconds before the hour. Last, be sure to have your party planned out and exactly how many people the person who's booking the boarding pass needs to plan on grabbing, so they don't have to think, they can just grab these people and go. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Here is a full ride through of the ride so you get the gist of how absolutely amazing this ride was. And thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Please make sure that you are subscribed and like this video if you did like it. We will be going back to Disney in less than 3 weeks from when this video goes up, so there will be a lot of new content for you. I know it. Get a workout in. It's like Avatar, like Flight of Passage. Thank you.
gate. Is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend
That is so
has
cool.
infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital
But Kylo Ren
to keep the location of the Pucara base secret.
But Kylo
Lieutenant
Ren
Beck,
died.
one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line up and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pearl Damon and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
We are.
Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to report. Once again, you're taking your flight crew number. Right now, make sure we're planning your... During takeoff, we want 5. 1 into the back corner. 3, dead center.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. We route. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump out of the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'm gonna get to front and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
But why
I have
don't
a
you
bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
think not?
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. We'll
Oh my
disregard in an orderly
God.
fashion and then continue to the right and down the hall. This party first.
Matt, get it on your phone. Oh, no. Or wait, I'm getting it on this. Just take it in. It's fine. I think they're all fake. Oh, let's go up here.
Document your capture and move along down the hall.
I can't handle that. That was awesome. Like, how did we get up here?
Alright, Dr.
Wow.
Yes, we don't need now. Thank you. Now, you're going to be orange, but I'm going to place you here for now. I don't trust you. I don't trust people who celebrate as if they anniversary and then join the resistance. I don't trust you. You may proceed inside.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
That's so cool.
It's okay. We're with the resistance. We're here to rescue. We're going to get you out one at a time. Rangers, up come to the right.
Make sure all your cards are there.
Alright. Take any off gear and
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching attention one breach.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention full breach. Prisoners must be there they are! Fire!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lift now. Over you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods. The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
That was amazing.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan out his pod beacon. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
That was awesome.
Yes, R5, you too.